Homemade recipes for brighter skin. Having dull, blotchy, or lifeless skin is truly a nightmare, regardless of your age or the season. If you're looking for beauty tips to make your skin more radiant, then keep reading this article. You'll learn the best do-it-yourself ways to achieve brighter skin. Have beautiful skin all year long. Naturally, women want their skin to look beautiful 365 days a year, as smooth as porcelain with an even complexion that's free from wrinkles, pimples, age spots, or other blemishes, and certainly without evidence of aging or sun exposure. To achieve this, we can reap the benefits of Mother Nature and build our own cosmetic first aid kit to brighten uneven or dark spots, especially those on the face. Skin spots may be due to many different factors, but they mainly arise from exposure to ultraviolet rays or lack of adequate moisturization, for example, when we're at the beach. They might also be due to hormonal changes that occur during pregnancy or the menstrual cycle, or they just simply develop over time. Homemade recipes for brighter skin. Lemon juice. Lemon juice is a natural and highly effective product for brightening skin. It's known for its high vitamin C content, which is great at regulating the skin's production of melanin. Melanin is responsible for providing the skin's natural coloring. Additionally, the citric acid contained in lemon juice also helps with cell renewal. Take a slice of this superfood and rub it directly onto the face, or any part of the body you want to treat. You can also soak a cotton ball in lemon juice and apply it to the skin. Take care not to go out in the sun after this treatment. Choose a weekend or a holiday for it. Otherwise, sun exposure will cause even more spots to form. Onion. More specifically, we're going to talk about onion milk, which contains sulfur and vitamin C. Onion milk is an excellent product that can promote healthy skin all year long. It should only be used externally to diminish undesired wrinkles, blemishes, or acne marks, but it can also stimulate hair follicle growth, disinfect wounds, and eliminate dandruff. Puree red onion in the blender, and soak a cotton ball with the milk that is produced. Apply the milk directly to dark spots or wrinkles. Leave it on for 10 minutes before rinsing with cold water. Note that if the area is already irritated, you may experience a burning sensation. If this happens, rinse the onion milk off immediately. Vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is one of the top ingredients on our list of home remedies, both for its health and beauty benefits. This is because the acidic pH helps diminish the appearance of pores while producing smoother. To use it, just soak a cotton ball with apple cider vinegar and apply it to any dark spots. Leave it on for 20 minutes before rinsing with cold water. Milk. You've probably heard that Cleopatra, the queen of ancient Egypt, based her beauty routine on the use of fermented or soured milk. Bathing in milk's lactic acid helps remove dead skin cells, revealing softer, cleaner skin. Lactic acid also has excellent brightening properties that can help achieve a more even skin tone, and with regular use can diminish dark spots. Make your own facial peel using cotton dipped in warm milk. Leave it on overnight and rinse off in the morning. Yogurt, because it is derived from milk, yogurt's properties are very similar, but yogurt can also be used to disinfect the skin, minimize the appearance of pores, promote healing and regeneration of skin cells, help maintain the skin's natural moisture, and more. Cultured milk also provides a barrier against bacterial skin infections. Use yogurt as a mask to brighten the skin. First, wash your face with mild soap and water. Spread a generous amount of plain yogurt on the skin using your fingers or a small brush. Let it sit for about 20 minutes before rinsing with warm water. Cucumber. Slices of cucumbers over the eyes are often used in beauty regimens because their high moisture content helps to relax and soothe tired eyelids. But cucumber is also rich in vitamin E and essential oils. This makes it great for brightening the skin, and its use will leave it radiant and beautiful. Cucumber also promotes softness and removes dark spots and wrinkles. All you need to do is peel a cucumber, remove the seeds, and process it in a blender until it forms a paste. Apply the paste to the skin for 20 minutes before rinsing. Results are almost immediate. Aloe vera. Another ingredient that is essential to any beauty regimen is aloe. In addition to milk, it was a favorite of Nefertiti and Cleopatra to keep their skin beautiful and radiant. Gel from the aloe plant nourishes, brightens, and moisturizes the skin. Cut a stalk of the plant and gently scrape away the gel. Apply it directly to areas of the skin that need brightening and leave it on for an hour before rinsing with warm water. Tomato juice contains a lot of nutrients that are good for our skin, including vitamins A and C, proteins, and lycopene, which reduces the formation of so-called free radicals. Mix 1 tablespoon of lemon juice with a tablespoon of tomato juice, and use a cotton ball to apply it to the face.